Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Welcome to your new video, an update on Pepe. All right, was needed. I know a lot of you are looking at Pepe right now, and just in general, I also, and I've said this before. All right, so it's not new news. But I think if you look at the meme coins right now, especially in the last week, I think Pepe and Bonk have been strongest so far. And I do think, look, Bitcoin right now, it's not doing that great. All right, just to be honest, I mean, Bitcoin was doing amazing last week, or amazing. At least we were seeing some momentum, and since then, especially since Wednesday morning, it's been kind of shit. But what is true is that Bitcoin, I mean, overall, we're not that bearish, all right? And a bullish Bitcoin could return at basically any day, all right? And I do think that if Bitcoin becomes bullish again, Pepe can rally hard, all right? Right now, our main problem we have is, well, apart from Bitcoin being relatively bearish over the last couple of days, is this resistance level at 8,500 and 8,000 ultimately right here. That has been, it's a strong resistance level, and we've talked about this before. In all of my last Pepe updates, what we've been talking about is, can we actually break above that level? And every time what I've told you is that the answer is yes, but we do need momentum. Because what you see right now with Pepe, look, Pepe on its own does not have enough momentum. The resistance level compared to the momentum that we have is just too strong. Even though, and especially, I mean, since the 25th of April, Pepe has also lost quite a lot of momentum here. Even though it's still up a lot since last week, all right? So it's very mixed, all right? And that's also why I'm telling you, if you look at this momentum, this is one of the strongest open interest charts in the market right now. But even though this is one of the strongest open interest charts, it's by far not as high as it was when we were very strong right here. So that means that relative to a week ago, Pepe is very strong, but relative to 3 weeks ago, we are not. All right, and we need to get back to the strength we had back then. And that just really relies on Bitcoin. And at this moment, like I said, to bring it back to the chart, at this moment, I do not think that Bitcoin is strong enough for me to say that we're going to break above that. All right, that's ultimately what we want. What we want to see is that we'll get up there and that we break above 8,500 with a bullish Bitcoin to rally up to 10,000 and 10,500. That's what we want. Is that most likely at this moment? No. All right, because even though the momentum for Pepe has gone up in the last day, it's not as high as it was 3 weeks ago, but it's also not as high as it was the 24th of April, right? So the momentum overall has been dropping down a bit here. And then apart from that, we are seeing no bullish confirmation from the market. So if Bitcoin turns very bullish, then maybe we can do this. But for now, it's still most likely. And there's also a little bit of a short-term technical trend here, right here. For now, it's most likely that we'll follow that and slowly drop back down towards 6,500 and 6,000. And I do think we can hold that and consolidate on top of that. And in that period of time that we are consolidating, when the market shifts to something more bullish, we can still break out. But right now, there's not enough confirmation for me to say that. And it's much more likely that we'll drop down a bit lower. And then hopefully, this market structure that we are in right now turns into a bullish flag. We consolidate, we break above that flag, and we rally. But I'll keep you updated on that, all right? If I think that there's enough momentum and if I think that the market turns a bit more bullish, I'll be the first to tell you about Pepe, all right? So don't worry too much about that right now. For now, it's most likely we'll consolidate and be a bit bearish, but keep your eyes open, all right? Monitor Bitcoin and you'll be fine, I would say. But those are my thoughts. That's what I think you need to know for now. If you do have any questions, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.